This is a lovely little summing series trick that we're going to do today, and on the thumbnail to this video we state that you can solve this by inspection, and you almost can. It's possibly a slightly elaborate claim, but you can almost solve it by inspection. But before we do, I just want to go through the trick. So let's just get a little bit of space here. Okay, so if we have the sum between n and k equals 1 of k plus 1 to k plus l, there's actually a very easy way to sum this. Now if we look at k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus l plus 1, take away k minus 1, k plus 1, k plus l, and then we take out k plus 1, k plus 2, to k plus l as a factor. That gives us k plus l plus 1 minus k minus 1, which gives us what we're looking for here, times by l plus 2. So basically what we are trying to sum here, we can rewrite it as 1 over l plus 2 times k plus 1, k plus l plus 1 minus k minus 1, k plus l. And the reason why that is interesting is that when we sum that, which is identical to summing that, by the method of differences, let's just take, for example, the nth term will be n plus 1, n plus l plus 1 minus n minus 1, n plus l, and then the n minus 1th term will be n minus 1, n plus l minus n minus 2, n minus 1, n plus l minus 1. And then let's go right to the first term. The first term will be 1 times 2 times 3 times 1 add l add 1, take away 0 times 1 times 2 times to 1 plus l. And when we sum all of that lot up by the method of differences, everything cancels. This one is 0, just leaving us with that. And so therefore the sum between k equals 1 and n of k plus 1 up to k plus l equals n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus l plus 1 over l plus 2. And that formula is really useful because it allows us to solve stuff by inspection. So now that we know this formula, we can go back to our original question, which is up here. And now all we need to do is a tiny little bit of fiddling around, because this isn't quite k plus 1, k plus 2. So let's let k minus 1 equal m, and that gives us the sum between 99 and m equals 49 of m plus 1, m plus 2, which is now almost in the form that we want. And now all we need to do here is that equals the sum between 99 and m equals 1 of m plus 1, m plus 2 minus the sum from m equals 1 to 48 of m plus 1, m plus 2. And all we do need to do now is just use our formula. We know that sum there equals 99 times 100 times 101 times 102 over 4, and we know that sum there using our formula is 48 times 49 times 50 times 51 over 4. So therefore we know that the sum that we're asking is that, take away that, and that there is our answer, summed almost by inspection. Okay, well I hope you found this trick useful. If you do, please like this video by pressing the little thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the Gresty Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.